Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A60 and today I'll show you how to format the SD card. So to get started, let's go into the settings and from here scroll down to general management, I believe, or not. No, device care, I think that's where it is. And then storage, and at the bottom you'll see your SD card. Let's go to the advanced, and here tap on the SD card and tap on format SD card. The process will begin. It takes only a couple of seconds, and once it's finished, the card is gonna be immediately ready to be used once more. And there we go, tap on done and you're finished.